So I got my colors, my stuff, and I have no idea where to put this. Honestly, I'm thirsty. It's a lot going on, and yeah. So I'm just gonna YOLO it out. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna take out behind stage. I have this bump and it's getting on my nerves, but I'm gonna take out behind stage because why not? They're doing something right now, but I need to do stuff. I need to make a video. So. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi.
Hey, I think it's
Hey.
Hey. Is that going to be posted on YouTube?
Yeah.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Follow my friend.
Your phone mad big for me.
It's not that big.
That's an iPad.
No, you don't have to phone. Hi, Lanaya's phone. I hope this is going on YouTube. But we love you.
We love her.
We're gonna miss you so much.
Yes,
we love you so much. You're
put this
such
in the
a.
vlog. If you don't put this in the vlog, I know where you live. No, I don't. But
Anyways, we
Good
love
luck in
you.
college.
Good
Love
luck in
you.
college, and you're an amazing dancer. We love you.
Love you.
This is not. Oh. This is us doing a practice, bro. We look drunk.
Where's Jamia?
She on the other side still trying to fix her wig. Bye, guys. Throw the show. Okay, I'm gonna record you. So y'all just got back attacked by cicadas. I literally had to run. Okay, I'm going to get ready. I'm wearing my Shire glove. I'm gonna show y'all later. Music is not showing in the background because I really can't get copyrighted again. Like, and it's not like a bad copyright. It's like just saying like this owner gave permission to be on YouTube. So I'm going to show y'all my next costume. I just need this. Thank you.
Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
Okay. I'm going back upstairs, but I need like one of them little mic things. But I'm going upstairs so I can put my stuff and stretch.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, this is the second day.
Hey y'all, welcome to her channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications.
Here's Aubrey. Guys, she's an alumni. She's here to work. This worker. ISIS.
I miss my man, y'all.
But you know my fear. Never ever relax. Never ever think that you are successful because we can always make it better.
No, do you want to say hi to the camera?
Hey, what's going on? Noah in the house. Mr. Mint. I wish I had my shades so I could be Agent Mint on duty.
3, 4, and 5, 6, get there, 7, grab, and 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey guys, it's Karis. I'm on Lanaya's phone, and we're vlogging. And here comes Audrey.
Hey guys.
This is Lanaya's last June show.
Yeah, and we're gonna miss her when she leaves, and we hope her the best in her future.
What college are you going to, Lanaya?
Right. You never told us anything about that.
Right. I don't even know what college Jameer is going to. Do you know? Okay guys, I know that I'm in the dark and you guys can't see me, but like, this is the last time I will probably be on this stage, if I'm back on the stage. It's because I'm not dancing with them anymore, but I don't know. I'm going back to the room because I have nothing else to do. And it's Green signing out right now.
As I work through some of the most difficult times. Mr. Lucas. Morgan